Welcome back, pumpkin people. Our plant's a little bigger this week. Stick around for the full update. All right, the plant's a little bit bigger since last week. Let's just take a look at the rear of the plant to start. Got a nice secondary working in the back there. I think I'm gonna run it to the fence. Maybe just run it maybe along the fence line. Starting to clear those weeds. I like to keep those weeds established, keep that soil nice and loose, keep the rhizomes going. Good secondary development. I think I'm gonna do the same thing, twist them and run them. We'll see when we get there. Got some male flowers opening up daily. Color of the plant looks okay. Got these nice secondaries here coming out. And I think this one too, we're gonna run it. Then we're gonna make a U-turn. And we'll try to fan these and rotate them. Last time, there's a pumpkin right there. We pollinated on Monday, but we're not keeping that. I don't know if it took, but it's still growing. It's still shiny, but way too close. Have another female right here. Main vine is definitely putting on some size now, but that one, I think we're gonna try to pollinate that one. And then if you look deep inside this tip here, right there, you can see another pumpkin right there. That'll be kind of out here, and that will have a lot of plant behind it. Recently, I don't know, the secondaries seem to be slowing down a little bit. I don't know, like I could be overthinking it, but this one seems a little stunted. That one back there seems a little stunted, but these seem good. But I don't know. I don't know if we need to up the nitrogen again, but it looks like pretty good. And then they kind of slowed down once it got to, say, this one right here. So I don't know what to make of that. I don't know if I'm just overthinking that, but I might try to hit it with some more nitrogen. But let's take a look over here. Looking pretty good. Finally, we gotten some cobra heading. Before, the vines were kind of like laying straight down. Finally lifting up off the ground. So it looks like the nitrogen's finally getting to them. Leaf size is okay. But all in all, haven't seen any cucumber beetles. Keeping up with that metocloprid. That's pretty much for this week's update. But I'm kind of excited for this pumpkin right there. And then we get that one to set. And hopefully I could fill this out, this area. But I don't know, I still feel like the side vines are a tad slow, but it could be just be overthinking it. But if we get this pumpkin a set, we'll probably have about 15 secondaries behind it. That one would have, say, 18 in the tip. So that's, plan A, plan B. But we'll pollinate both those, and then I think once these side vines start popping, I'll even start thinking about a side vine set just to stay, competitive, and if I need to. But I don't know. I mean, we could get another pumpkin out here somewhere. It could be really far in there, but it's already, let's see, June 15th. So that pumpkin should open up, in the next 7 days or so. This one's about 10 days. So that's the 25th. Worst case scenario there on that one inside there. So that's about the latest you want to have for pollination. So like I said, plan A is in the tip, plan B, and that one back there, we're going to cut that off. I just wanted to see if it would take, and just to get the plant in that mode of thinking about setting fruit. But all in all, it's looking all right. Color's good. Maybe a tad slighter on the leaf color here. But we've had some rain past couple days. Haven't been watering much because the ground's been so wet. I've been trying to just clean this up, taking my pitchfork, sticking it into the ground and just rising it up. Stick it in, rising it up, just to get that air and nutrients down in the soil. I'm only walking, say, like in this path, up on my boards, walking around up on my board there. So I'm not stepping on that soil directly. But if you haven't already, like and subscribe to our page, and hopefully next couple weeks or so we have a pumpkin on, and we're on our way to over 1,000-pound pumpkin. So until next time, grow 'em big.